Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category so you can make an informed buying decision. Today, we have two robot vacuum and mop combos that we'll be comparing. In the blue corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and in the red corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to cleaning power, both the Roborock Q7 Max and the robot vacuum and mop combo have impressive features. The Q7 Max boasts a powerful 4,200 pascal suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors, drags it from cracks, and draws it from carpets. It even increases its suction automatically when a carpet is detected for deep cleaning. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a 1,400 pascal suction power, which effectively removes dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. Now let's talk about vacuuming and mopping capabilities. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously, thanks to its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. This allows for fine-tuning cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. Meanwhile, the robot vacuum and mop combo also offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming function. With its 230 milliliters electric control water tank, it can penetrate and clean all hard floors, including laminate, ceramic tiles, and parquet. Navigation and mapping are crucial for efficient cleaning. The Roborock Q7 Max features PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which builds precise 3D maps of your home. It can even monitor cleaning routes efficiently, allowing you to virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance, which intelligently identifies and avoids white walls, stairs, and obstacles. Its slim design also helps it reach every corner of your house. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum and mop combo. The Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. This allows for a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. Similarly, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a runtime of 100 minutes with its 2,500 mAh battery capacity, suitable for a 1,290 square feet house. Lastly, let's take a look at some additional features. The Roborock Q7 Max combines its 470 milliliters dustbin and 350 milliliters water tank, allowing you to clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling. Its multi-directional floating all-rubber brush resists hair tangles, making it ideal for long hair and pet hair. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo boasts 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning. It also has an advantaged brushless suction port, preventing hair entanglement. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max and the robot vacuum and mop combo have received mixed feedback. Reviewers praise the Q7 Max for its powerful cleaning performance, versatile vacuuming and mopping capabilities, smart navigation and mapping, long battery life, and convenient additional features. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo is appreciated for its efficient cleaning power, effective vacuuming and mopping, adaptable navigation and mapping, convenient battery life, and versatile additional features. And there you have it, a comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the robot vacuum and mop combo. Both products have their strengths and unique features. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to these products and their current prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.